Have you recently been quoted an asinine amount of money to replace a light bulb? Have you recently been told that it's going to cost between $250 and $300 to replace a third brake light that you didn't even know you had on your truck in the first place? Have you recently been told that without this brake light you are going to be breaking the law? Depending on your state, you could be. I know in my state, most people with older vehicles, this light has burnt out and they haven't replaced it. It's easy to do. It's super easy to do. A lot of people get discouraged because they go to the mechanic, they do their walk around, they say, this bulb is out. It's going to cost you $200 to replace that $3 light bulb. Let us do it. And so people just say, no, screw it, not worth it. I agree 100%. It is not worth $200 to $300 to replace this. And I'm going to show you why. Because all you need is one tool. It's not just a handy dandy little screwdriver you have in your garage or closet, wherever you got. Everybody's got a screwdriver. If you don't have a screwdriver, a basic Phillips head screwdriver, wow, that's all I gotta say. So today we're going to replace this super easy. Save yourself $200 and some. I mean, shoot, this is going to take us like 4 minutes. If I had just jumped in, we'd already be done. So should we jump in? I say, let's do it. We're replacing this third brake light. We've got a fancy new LED one. This didn't cost nowhere near $300. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. You could just pull this off and replace the little $3 bulb and you're going to save yourself $197, maybe $297. Or you could just replace this whole assembly and save yourself $150 to $250. Either way, you're coming out way ahead for spending 5 minutes working on your own truck, which gets you closer to your truck. It gets your hands a little dirty. So let's go ahead and replace it. We're using this, I took the box out with the brand name. It comes in pre-packaged, all nice and pretty. You got some foam. It comes with a new gasket. The white stuff will come off, I'm guessing. And it comes with the fancy freaking brake light, okay? Whoa, we're gonna put this in. It looks super cool and we're still saving a couple $100. And it comes with even little tabs to cover the old screws and then more packaging that none of us care about. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Let me grab a screwdriver because I forgot to grab one before I jumped up here. Let's get done. All right, like I said, you've got your basic Phillips head screwdriver that everybody should have. If I didn't mention it before, this is a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500, the 5.7 liter Hemi 4x4. You got one screw on the left-hand side. Boop, that's it. Took less than 5 seconds to unscrew. Got another screw on the right-hand side. Pull that out as well. Boop, there it is. Save those. You're going to reuse them. Put your screwdriver somewhere, and then you're just going to pull that off the gasket, just like so. If you're just replacing the bulb and saving yourself a couple $100, couple few, all you're going to do, let's see if I can twist this around upside down, is you got the bulbs right there. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. If you want to just replace the bulb, in here you can probably see them all. You got your cargo lights and the white reflectors and then your brake light. It's pretty simple. I'll take this, we're going to twist this up. They all come out the same way. I'm going to pull that out and there's your bulb. You're just going to pull your bulb out. Boop. Put your new bulb back in. Boop. Put this back in. Oh, it came out from up above. These wires are just a little bit tight. That in and twist it back in place. Now you're just going to shove it back in and tighten it down. It's got a couple little pins to guide it in. Just like that. Screw it in, you're done. We're replacing the whole assembly because, I mean, shoot, they're cheap enough, why not? Get some LEDs up in here. You're going to grab this little tab here, push it down, pull it out, boop, throw that on the ground. I'm not going to break that until I know this one works. I'm going to pull this protective cover off. You're going to grab your new gasket. Looks like it's a whole bunch of punch out stuff. Woo! So you're going to take that you can throw. Punch this one out, toss that, punch this one out, toss that. So now if you want it to be really proper, you can go ahead and clean this. Use my little wet finger trick. Woo! I'm assuming we're going to peel this off. I didn't actually read the instructions. Hopefully I'm not jacking everything up here. And peel that all off. Whee! And actually, I'm gonna stick this to this side first. Stick this in. Line it up. Squeeze it on. Whoop. And then we're just gonna peel it off just like the other side. With these fingernails I don't have. This is where if you're a manly man that doesn't have no fingernails, you might have to get your lady inside. If you're a lady with fingernails, just think you don't have to struggle at this point. Believe it or not, I get my wife to do a lot of fingernail stuff. All right, so then we're just gonna put this pigtail through, pulling this all the way off. Boop, boop, boop. And then we're gonna take this, we're gonna plug it in just like the old one. It only goes on one way, so you can't mess it up like I just about tried to. Okay, and then it has these little tabs here, one on each side, boop, boop. They're gonna go in this hole and that hole. Again, they make it hard for you to mess up. Okay, and we're gonna take our screwdriver. We're gonna slide it in. Okay, so this you do not want to over freaking crank because this is just plastic. You will break it. I'm just gonna put it in. Dun, 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 dun. Easy as that. Yes, that is pretty bright. It's actually pretty bright. What about brakes? Whoa. And there we have it. I'm gonna link this down below as well as a couple others if you want to try them out. I'll link the bulbs for the third brake light replacement. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what you saw, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how much you were going to pay somebody or how much you did pay somebody to replace that. And now that you've seen it, would you pay somebody again? Alright, I'm waiting for your comment. Go ahead. Well, I'm just, yep. Did you comment? I'm waiting. I'm done waiting. We'll see you guys next time. I'm waiting for the thumbs up. Can I get one? See you guys.